The clock is ticking for millions of American workers to get vaccinated under new rules from the Biden administration. On Thursday, OSHA announced that all employees at businesses with 100 or more employees must be vaccinated by January 4th or be tested for COVID weekly. 17 million healthcare workers will also fall under this rule without the testing option.
We know that vaccines absolutely save lives. And we know that mandates work.
Workplace vaccine mandates are already in place at companies across the country, and so far experts say workers have overwhelmingly complied. Kansas Governor Laura Kelly is not happy about the new federal vaccine mandate. In a statement this morning, she said, "While I appreciate the intention to keep people safe, a goal I share, I don't believe this directive is the correct or the most effective solution for Kansas. States have been leading the fight against COVID-19 from the start of the pandemic. It is too late to impose a federal standard now that we have already developed systems and strategies that are tailored for our specific needs. I will seek a resolution that continues to recognize the uniqueness of our state and builds on our ongoing efforts to combat a once-in-a-century crisis." Missouri's Attorney General says he will sue the Biden administration over the mandate. He calls the mandate, quote, "unconstitutional, unlawful, and unwise." Republican Eric Schmidt, who's running for U.S. Senate, filed a lawsuit against the vaccine mandate for federal contractors. Missouri was joined in the lawsuit by the Republican attorneys general of 11 other states, including Kansas. Meanwhile, there's another potential breakthrough in the fight against COVID-19. Pfizer just announced new information about its pill-based treatment for the virus. The company says taking a series of pills starting within 3 days of developing symptoms reduces the risk of hospitalization or death by 89%. There's no news about when the pill would be available, and it still has a long way to go before being approved. 11 local health directors are joining together, hoping to encourage parents to vaccinate their eligible children. All children 5 and older can get a Pfizer vaccine shot. The directors also want people to keep wearing a mask in public until more people get vaccinated. Right now, 54% of people who live in the Kansas City area are fully vaccinated. And children are starting to roll up their sleeves at local hospitals.
Oh, we've got the first shot going in.
First shot going in.
Awesome.
3 kids got their first dose of a coronavirus vaccine during the morning briefing at the University of Kansas Health System. Doses just arrived yesterday and are being given out to kids at pediatric clinics today, and that's not all.
We'll be offering flu shots as well, so if individuals would like to get their flu shot, we're going to work on making that happen in our pediatric clinics. Certainly in our pediatric clinics today, you can get your flu shot as well.
The health system's also planning clinics for next weekend to get kids vaccinated. To sign up, go through the system's MyChart app or call 913-588-1227. The White House expects to have its pediatric vaccine program fully up and running by the beginning of next week. And while kids won't be able to get fully vaccinated by Thanksgiving or Hanukkah, there's still time to get it done by Christmas. Like the vaccine for adults, each dose must be 21 days apart, and it takes 2 weeks after the second dose to be considered fully vaccinated. That means in order to be fully protected by Christmas, children must get the first dose no later than November 19th and the second no later than December 10th.
So many of us have been worried about what happens as the weather gets cold, as everyone goes indoors, as those windows start getting shut in schools and ventilation gets worse. Having the kids vaccinated helps to stop that.
CDC Director Rochelle Walensky says even kids who have had COVID-19 before should get both Pfizer doses. She says studies show it is safe and will boost their protection. A number of big chain pharmacies will start administering COVID-19 vaccines for 5 to 11-year-olds soon. Walmart will start in the next couple of days. Walgreens will begin in some stores starting tomorrow. CVS will begin administering vaccines on Sunday. Appointments are available online. The U.S. Surgeon General says vaccine trials for children younger than 5 are already underway right now. He says we could see vaccines for that age group early next year. A new study supports what health experts have been saying for months. People who are vaccinated against COVID-19 just don't get as sick as those who are unvaccinated. The study looked at nearly 800,000 veterans veterans, all fully vaccinated. It found that protection against severe disease and death was high even months after the first vaccinations. That data applied to all 3 brands of vaccines. Researchers did find that efficacy against mild and asymptomatic infection dropped from 80% to 50% over 8 months.